Welcome back, Rico Moneybags. Today we're going to be talking about how to buy Feg easy way using Fegex.com. But I'm also doing this because of all the people asking about smart DeFi since the last videos that I put out. So if you guys missed those, make sure you tap in on all those videos. I'm sure that you'll be asking me, just like everybody else has been, how do I buy Feg? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to do a how to buy video. Make sure you guys do not miss out. Stay tuned to the end. We have some juicy details as well. Let's go ahead and jump right in. How to buy Feg. Before we do that, make sure you guys come over to the Feg at Feg Token, give them a follow, make sure the bell notification's lit, and we have some call to action right here that we can use to help us grow even further, especially those who've been asking me, hey, how do I purchase Feg? Well, after you buy some Feg, you're going to want to tap in with us exactly how we're doing right here so we can keep spreading the word, stay trending on Twitter, or formerly known Twitter, now X. But we got this. Doing this may grow your investment. That's exactly what I'm talking about. This is going to help you grow your bag. Not financial advice, but the more people that know about Feg Token, the more people that know about Smart DeFi, all the tokens that are launching on there, the staking video that I did, that you guys are going to want to see that video. If you follow the instructions in this video on how to buy Feg, you're going to want to get staked up right after that. So I'll make sure that I'll link that video up above where you guys can tap in and learn how to stake Feg, or at the end of this video. So let's create a guerrilla storm and trend on X. I know that we can do this. We've seen Feg Token and Smart DeFi trend on X nonstop, and it's something that we're calling on all the Feg army. It's a call to action, call to arms. We want everybody active so we can do this. Yes, it's time for the clock. Tick tock, tick tock. It's happening right now. We're inching closer and closer to Smart DeFi, and we can tell by the amount of content that's coming out, the amount of tweets that the original official Feg page is pushing out, the AMAs we have, the spaces that we've held. So things are happening, gears are being shifted. So this is where you get in, where you fit in. So click the tweet, CTT instructions. So call to action. We got save each image, one or two below, use them to post with two respective links below. Feg's technology is the best, so let's share it with a wider public and make Feg Token and Smart DeFi trend on X. Asset backing, that's something we're going to talk about a lot on the channel. And what is staking? You guys know that I have both of these videos. We're going to talk about asset backing. We're going to do the how to buy, but we got what is staking and how to stake in that video. So do yourself a favor or do your friend a favor and pass that video along. Like and comment on this video and share down below, because this is what it's going to take for us to get there. You'll also know that we're listed on all these exchanges. We also have where you can buy using M-Bar down below. We have so many different ways on how to buy Feg, but today we're going to do it how to buy on Fegex. I'm going to connect the wallet, show you guys what's up, and without any further ado, let's just jump right into it and do it. So we're going to go ahead and click connect wallet. Now I'm going to show you right here. We're going to click the BNB Smart Chain. That's what we're going to be doing the purchase on. I am going to use my iPad to scan this. I was trying to do it with the drop down, but if you having trouble, I updated everything. And if you're having trouble with the drop down, the best thing I can tell you to do is do it off an iPad. It seems to work a lot better. After it connects, let that screen drop right in front of you. The one that was popped up right here. Don't exit out. Just leave it just like that. Make sure you're connected up above. Make sure it's obviously the BNB chain. We have some BNB up in there. So let's just go ahead and do a tutorial 0.002. The little tutorial wallet. Maybe I'll do some kind of giveaway with this later on. We'll do, actually, we can just use this feature. 10%, 25%. Okay, that's a lot easier. So look at that. We're all learning together. And I just did a test buy again, but let's do 25%. Do another test using this feature. Let's hit swap on your iPad, or if we were using the safepal widget up here, I'll show you the Feg landing on there as well, and how to make sure that if you're not seeing the token, you can see it. So make sure you stay tuned. But I got the drop down on my iPad. I'm going to hit confirm. Okay. The transaction's confirming. You see the swap happening right now. We see the buys. The buy I did earlier. Like I said, I was testing it earlier, making sure that I'm not wasting any of your guys' time. And I want you guys all to check, even though, yeah, I didn't do the drop down through the top, I am connected up here. And I want you to see that right away. We're not seeing the how to buy Feg video wallet. We're not seeing Feg token in this wallet. What I want you all to do is simply come right over here, click on this. You'll copy the contract address. I have all these links down below. That is fegex.com. It will automatically open you up to this website, to this UI that you're seeing right now. That's very easy to use. We're going to go ahead and hit copy, come back to our wallet, hit the three dots right here if you're using SafePal, manage coins, right click on the search bar and paste this contract address, and boom, right there we see Feg token on ETH, and now we got it on BNB. Now let's go back, and there we go. We see the test buys that we've been doing and experimenting with this UI. So you guys see how very easy it is to buy Feg token in 4 easy steps. You can do this. Connect your wallet, say how much you want to buy, go ahead and hit swap, confirm it on your iPad or the drop down extension, and that's simple. That right away, the transaction will go through. But if you don't see the token right away, some wallets do it automatically where you'll see Feg token. That's awesome. If you don't, go ahead and just copy this right away. Go to your wallet, look at where you can manage your tokens and add that contract address and get used to these steps. Okay, so continue to come back, experience the abundance of money. Help me get this video to 100 likes. That'd be super epic, and help me get the word out there, because a lot of big things are coming with Feg token. And if you can't do that, continue to experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.